Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 6 simple steps to keep your mind sharp at any age. So if you like the video related to manifest power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin this go. 6 simple steps to keep your mind sharp at any age. Everyone has the occasional senior moment. Maybe you have gone into the kitchen and can't remember why, or can't recall a familiar name during a conversation. Memory lapse can occur at any age, but aging alone is generally not a cause of cognitive decline when significant memory loss occurs among older people. It's generally not due to aging but to organic disorder, brain injury, or neurological illness. Studies have shown that you can help prevent cognitive decline and reduce the risk of dementia with some basic good health habit. So staying physically active, getting enough sleep, not smoking, having good social connection, limiting alcohol to no more than one drink a day, eating a Mediterranean style diet. Memory and other cognitive changes can be frustrating, but the good news is that thanks to the decades of research, you can learn how to get your mind active. There are various strategies we can use to help maintain cognitive fitness. So here are several you might try. The first one, keep learning. A higher level of education is associated with better mental functioning in old age. Experts think that advanced education may help keep memory strong by getting a person into the habit of being mentally active. Challenging your brain with mental exercise is believed to activate processes that help maintain individual brain cells and stimulate communication among them. Many people have jobs that keep them mentally active. Pursuing a hobby, learning a new skill, volunteering or mentoring are additional ways to keep your mind sharp. When it comes to the use all your senses. The more senses you use in learning something, the more of your brain that will be involved in the retaining the memory. In one study, adults were shown a series of emotionally neutral images, each presented along with a smell. They were not asked to remember what they saw. Later, they were shown a set of images, this time without the odors, and asked to indicate which they had seen before. They had excellent recall for all odor paired pictures and especially for those associated with pleasant smell. Brain imagining or indicated that the piriform cortex, the main odor processing region of the brain, became active when people saw objects originally paired with odors, even though the smell were no longer present and the subject had not tried to remember them. So challenge all your senses as you venture into the unfamiliar. Then it comes to believe in yourself. Myth about aging can contribute to a failing memory. Middle-aged and older learners do worse on memory tasks when they are exposed to negative stereotypes about aging and memory, and better when the messages are positive about memory preservation into old age. People who believe that they are not in control of their memory function, joking about senior moments too often, perhaps are less likely to work at maintaining or improving their memory skill and therefore are more likely to experience cognitive decline. If you believe you can improve and you translate the belief into practice, you have a better chance of keeping your mind sharp. Then it comes to prioritize your brain use. If you don't need to use mental energy remembering where you laid your keys or the time of your granddaughter's birthday party, you will be better able to concentrate on learning and remembering new and important things. Take advantage of smartphone reminders, calendars and planners, maps, shopping lists, file folders and address books to keep routine information accessible. Designate a place at home for your glasses, purse, keys and other items you use often. Then it comes to repeat what you want to know. When you want to remember something you have just heard, read and thought about, repeat it out loud or write it down. That way you reinforce the memory or connection. For example, if you have just been told someone's name, use it when you speak with him or her. So, John, where did you meet Camille? Then it comes to the last, not the least, space it out. Repetition is most potent as a learning tool when it's properly timed. It's best not to repeat something many times in a short period as if you were cramming for an exam. Instead, restudy the essentials after increasingly longer period of time. Once an hour, then every few hours, then every day. Spacing out periods of study help involve or improve memory as it and is particularly valuable when you are trying to master complicated information such as the detail of a New York assignment. That's all about the manifest power in this video. I hope you all liked it. I will definitely come with a next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.